Who is this?
The neighbor.
Why'd he go home?
He got by here. Oh, near the garage.
Did he come out of nowhere? Where the fuck you come from, Blake? That's crazy.
Are you serious right now?
There.
Sam? Sam? Look at him. Look at him. Turn the camera.
Come on, Gabby. He's giving us free content.
We live here.
We live in Santa Monica. Crackheads in Santa Monica.
You got a problem with our babies?
Let's go to the corner and do a scrap now.
You got a problem with our babies? How about the IRA? You got a problem with the IRA?
I'm talking with a crazy person. Let's get the fuck from over here. Why are we just standing right here?
Because we're waiting on somebody.
Well, I'm gonna go order a drink.
That's crazy.
Oh, what the fuck? This is stupid.
Where's Blake? Oh.
So the whole gang here?
Think so. Well, Blake don't got a fucking bird.
No, it's not taking a picture of my ID.
Try it again. Hey, you got me over here.
Alright, let's do some film. Alright.
Jackass.
Oh.
Let's run into him.
Oh my God!
I'm not doing that dumb shit.
I like my face.
I like my feet.
Alright, Blake, you do it. You like it.
Fucking dumbass. Oh, this nigga's going far. The next dumbass up. Take yo.
No, hell no.
Oh, you scary bitch.
It's alright. I got
Hey, Cody, there's a stair.
There's a stair. Alright, go hit it.
Let's go fuck up a parking structure.
I'm just trying to go in a straight line.
Y'all gotta keep up. Look at them. Slow.
You want to race me?
Slow. Let's race.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
She said, let's race.
But I still can't get you out my head. Finally got you out my bed. But I still can't get you out my head. Finally got you out my
What are you doing? About to hit a ram in this bitch. CC, you want to record this?
Take a picture.
This nigga down there kicked someone's fucking door down and shit. Her scooter broke right in front.
CC on the cam. I'm just kidding. Fucking Adam, I swear to God. What's up? Cameraman, get on the camera. What up?
Wait. Whoa.
open every day.
Hey, Chase. You got mine. I'm trying to pop wheelies again. Let me see that. Niggas forgot that we gotta pay for these birds, bro. Let me talk to the camera.
Shit, I don't gotta pay for them.
Niggas forgot that we gotta pay for these birds, bro.
What you mean by that? I know how to get the system, nigga.
Bill Gates and shit, bro. I'm not Bill Gates.
No, it's gonna decline, I promise. It's gonna decline it.
Still got my wallet. I'm good.
It's gonna decline it. It's gonna decline. That's what I do.
Hey, let's get a roll on. Let's go back to the bar.
That is not Kobe.
Park my scooter.
Look at this house right here, bro. We're living in
Just made it to the beach.
Let me park my scooter.
They don't have lights on the beach, bro?
Crazy. Y'all wanna go walk in the sand?
like, what's really going on?
I ain't trying to romanticize you, nigga. Y'all save y'all sand trips for when you got your Jones. I'm trying to do hood rat shit with my hood rat friends.
Look at that steering wheel, bro.
Alright, let's go where the stairs
I seen you guys going down on that.
All I know is he tried to fuck us up. He said that's my money. That's fucked up, doggy.
That's my money, and I want it now. Hold on, I'm gonna go hide that.
Alright, so do we take the elevator up and then all just like skirt out the elevator?
Can we do that, bro? I'm down to do that.
Let's do it.
If that's like possible.
Fuck it. Come on.
Where's the ashtray? You set it on the floor outside. I've seen it. Cool.
You have to wait for him? Damn, it's at 8.
The elevator had to adjust itself.
What the shit is that?
When there's a lot of weight, it adjusts itself. I put a man lift in one in the elevator before.
For real?
Whole man lift.
That shit didn't break?
Nope, it just dropped down and then it dropped it went back up.
Level.
To the
See?
top.
What did I tell you
To the
guys?
top. To the top. Come to the 8th floor!
You ain't this hot.
Alright, fuck it. Y'all want to race down?
They're not coming down? They're coming up?
I don't think they're coming up.
Yeah, I don't like looking down like that.
I'm tripping. That shit kind of killed my eye.
Let's go down. Oh shit.
Santa Monica, we've noticed some insidious shit happening.
Oh, who's this nigga? This nigga ain't talking to nobody.
He's saying get the fuck off me. He's talking about his blanket.
Oh, he fucking that sidewalk up.
Now I'm thinking, what if we're the ones that's tripping?
That's crazy. Nah, we not tripping. I'm not tripping, nigga. I'm not tripping.
What the fuck
Fucking the sidewalk. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, he locked me in there. Nigga trying to trap me and shit.
This nigga starving. Don't let him lie to you, nigga. That nigga starving.
He needs some milk.
Get the fuck out of here. You get it now, right?
I see the hurt in your eyes. This
nigga full of shit. He said, you get it?
This nigga capping.
That's how I can run a mile right now.
This nigga pass out. This nigga won't even make it. The fuck? Talking about he can run a mile.
I stopped eating fast food. No doubt. This nigga's crazy. Oh my god. I literally been passing on.
My girlfriend's at home asleep, peaceful.
I said girlfriend, sure. My girlfriend's good, bro. I mean, she breaks my shit. You know what I'm saying? No, she does. She breaks my shit, but at least she loves me.
At least she loves you. After she done broke every damn thing he owed, talking about at least she loved me. What type of shit?
You can't trust a bitch like that. She break everything so you can't see where she at. Now he's thinking. He's like, man.
He said, no.
I'm just saying, bro.
I call my bitch right now.
I don't.
What phone?
He said, I'm gonna call my
Nigga said what, bro?
And if she don't answer, you gotta get a new one.
If I don't answer what, Doc?
If she don't answer,
She don't answer what? Yeah.
that nigga laying tell her let me see her pillow.
Let me see the pillow, nigga.
Put the phone there so let me feel the warmth. Somebody was just laying right there. Fuck it, get in the room, but don't do it fast.
Billion kid visionary, genius, that's me. Ice on my wrist, that's my feet. BK, Fiji, billion kid visionary, genius, that's me. Ice on my neck, that's a light feet.